Hey YouTubers, I am back for another video. I'll just put this away. So this came from the mail. Okay, 2 and 5 pics. What I'm going to do is hang my electric guitar on the wall. So using this. Alright. Okay. Okay, looks like this is an instruction, like a template for the screw that you need to position. I think we're not going to use this. So this is the what you call a guitar hook. It goes like this, right? So we're gonna find a wall where to put the the hooks, and I'll be position this like on a stud. That way it will be sturdy. Okay, and I'm not gonna use this, so just to make sure that I found the stud on the wall. Right, so I'll be back. Okay, I found a spot, so that will be it. And then my guitar. All right, and that's it. So my guitar is now hanging on the wall. There you go. I'll put a link in the description below, so where you can buy this. I thought I bought it from Amazon. Alright, see you on the next video.